If you want to start making online, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. Now you know everything you need to know in order to start selling through Amazon FBA. But starting selling and being a huge success are two different things. As I often say, you could be giving away free gold, but without the right marketing, no one will know and no one will care. You'll still shift 0 units. So how do you go about making sure that people know your business exists? How do you generate buzz and excitement for your product? The good news is that there is a way to help people find your products through Amazon itself. But if you want to make even more sales, then you can also try driving people to your listing from external sources. More sales and reviews from your products built up this way will also help you to use AdSense. If you're a seasoned internet marketer, it's time to experience what it's like to be on the other side of the AdSense equation. You pay just a few cents for clicks, and then you can convert these clicks into potential sales which can earn you huge profits. Learn how to write your advertising in such a way that you only attract people who are likely to part with their cash and you won't face too much wasted marketing, and consider using some of the other pay-per-click advertising networks too, Facebook for instance. Facebook is especially good as it allows you to target buyers who fit your buyer persona, meaning they're highly targeted by demographic etc., whereas Google lets you target people that have intent to buy, meaning that they're interested in buying the product you sell at that moment and are likely searching for places to do just that. By driving enough traffic to your listing this way, you can increase your sales, your reviews, and ultimately your discoverability, even if the cost of advertising eats into your sales in the short term. Then, it can help you to earn significantly more from sales in the long term. Run a blog. One of the best and most valuable ways to promote your products through an external channel is through a blog. Running a blog gives you a direct route to a large number of highly engaged viewers. That means they are people who love what you have to say, and who have come to trust your opinion and the information you share. Through a blog, or alternatively a social media account, you can eventually grow to become an influencer. At this point, you have not only a direct route to market, but also a large number of warm leads who are far more likely to buy from you. Consider two scenarios. In one, you are browsing the web, and you see an advert for a product from an unknown brand. It's something that you're vaguely interested in, but not hugely invested in. Let's say you're a boxer and it's a pair of boxing gloves. Now imagine the second scenario. As a boxer, you have been a longtime follower of an amazing boxer and YouTube presenter. They have lots of great ideas and tips, and they have a great brand and style that you respond to. They then announce that they're selling an amazing pair of boxing gloves, which they hand-picked and helped to design for the best performance, sporting their brand. Which are you more likely to buy? Building a loyal audience takes a huge amount of time, effort, and commitment. But in terms of the difference it can make to sales, it is more than worth it. Creating buzz. Better yet? Use your audience and your route to them, be that a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram account, or email marketing list, and then start creating buzz. A few ways you can do this include, with a great trailer or advertisement, with a pre-order, which could include a discount. You can use WooCommerce, www.woocommerce.com, or a similar tool to set this up, with a countdown page, with competitions and giveaways, by asking for advice and ideas. Creating buzz this way is a fantastic method for generating interest and for massively increasing your orders on day one, which translates to a higher position on Amazon and more sales in the years to come. Not only that, but by taking pre-orders you can actually gauge interest in your product, and even fund that initial order. More options. Still need more help getting people to find your products? There are nearly limitless options for marketing your products, especially with this kind of business model. Here are some more suggestions: influencer marketing, sponsorships, banner ads, print media, television advertising, press releases. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.